The evils of dowry system in modern society. The dowry system is one of the most deep-rooted social evils that continues to cast a dark shadow over modern society, particularly in countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, where marriage is often considered incomplete without the exchange of material wealth. Dowry refers to the money, property, or valuable gifts given by the bride's family to the groom's family during marriage. Originally, it began as a system of providing financial support to a newly married couple, but with time it turned into a symbol of greed, exploitation, and social injustice. In modern society, where education and equality are celebrated, the existence of the dowry system remains a contradiction to progress, often leading to severe consequences for women and their families. One of the major evils of the dowry system is the heavy financial pressure it puts on the bride's family. Parents of daughters often spend their entire lives saving for dowry instead of investing in their child's education or future. Many poor families fall into debt or poverty due to dowry demands, while in some cases marriages are delayed or cancelled when expectations are not met. This creates social inequality and makes daughters appear as a financial burden, which is deeply unfair. Another serious consequence is the suffering of women after marriage. Many brides face harassment, humiliation, and even physical abuse at the hands of in-laws if dowry demands remain unfulfilled. Cases of dowry deaths, suicides, and domestic violence are reported regularly, showing the cruel face of this tradition. Such incidents not only ruin families but also weaken the moral values of society. The dowry system also lowers the dignity of women by treating them as commodities to be bargained for. Instead of being valued for their education, character, and abilities, women are judged by the wealth they bring into marriage. This promotes gender inequality and acts as a barrier to women's empowerment, which goes against the ideals of a modern and just society. Although the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961 and other laws exist to stop this evil, the practice still survives in many communities, often disguised as gifts or tradition. To end it, there must be awareness, education, and a change in mindset. Young men and women should refuse to take or give dowry, and society should encourage simple, respectful marriages. In conclusion, the dowry system is not just an outdated tradition but a social evil that causes financial, emotional, and moral damage to society. It enslaves women, burdens families, and stands as an obstacle to true progress. The fight against dowry is not just the responsibility of law but of every individual who dreams of a society based on equality, respect, and humanity. Only by collective effort and change in attitude can we hope to eradicate this evil and build a modern society where marriage is a bond of love and respect, not a transaction of wealth.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.